Hello friends, welcome to Subvijay. Today we are going to learn potato save recipe. The save are basically fried noodles made from gram flour, and the save are shaped with the Sevia machine. The ingredients required are: we need 1 cup gram flour, 2 medium sized potatoes, 1 by 4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 by 4 tablespoon garam masala, and half tablespoon red chili powder. And we also need 1 by 4 tablespoon amchur powder, 1 by 3 tablespoon black salt, half tablespoon chaat masala, and a pinch of asafoetida. 16 to 18 mint leaves or half tablespoon dry mint. And roast the leaves till they wilt and become crisp. And remove and crush the mint leaves in a mortar or pestle to fine powder. Keep aside. And this step is to dry the mint leaves. And if you have dried mint leaves, then you can add half tablespoon dried mint leaves and crush them and add. And after that, mashed potatoes, add the spices, that is 1 by 4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 by 4 tablespoon garam masala powder, and half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 by 4 tablespoon amchur powder, and 1 by 4 tablespoon lime or lemon juice, and 1 by 3 tablespoon black salt, and 1 by 2 tablespoon chaat masala. And for a spicy save, increase the quantity of red chili powder. Now mix well and add the powdered mint leaves. Now gently mix and start forming a dough, and there is no need to add any water while kneading the dough. The moisture from the potatoes is enough for binding the dough. Don't add water, otherwise the dough become very sticky. Make a smooth dough, cover the dough and keep aside. And if the dough is very sticky, then add a few tablespoons of besan, and if it looks dry, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. For making aloo save, you need to use the disc with the small fine holes, and grease the top of this disc with some oil, and also apply some oil on cylindrical jar of the save maker. Rub a bit of oil in your hands and roll the dough into a log, and gently place it in the save maker jar, and reserve a small piece of the dough to test the oil temperature, and cover the save maker with its lid. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadai or pan, and add a small piece of the dough. If the dough comes up gradually, then the oil is ready, and if the dough sits at the bottom, the oil is still cold. And if the piece of dough comes up briskly and quickly, the oil is too hot. And now in the oil, directly press the save maker to make a save, and move in a rounds so that the save is evenly distributed. Do flip a couple of times to get an even color. This masala save with the chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies are a popular chaat recipe across Indian subcontinent, and the save can be added as a garnish over bhel puri or sev puri. Instead of normal save, you can add this aloo save for better taste, and save can be spiced with the garlic, red chilies, mint leaves, rice flakes, and potato wafers to prepare a delectable snack called namkeen or farsan. So keep this save in an airtight container for 2 weeks and you can enjoy, and the presence of gram flour makes save a high protein snack, but since it is deep fried it tends to be higher in calories and fat content. It is best to use this as per recipe requirement and only in moderation. This is for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching my videos and like and subscribe.